Hello, it's Jeta, and today I thought I'd bring you along with me as I deep clean my room. Over lockdown and the summer holidays, the insides of my room have gotten really bad, and so I decided to go through all those drawers that you kind of just shove things in and properly clean my room before we go back to school. So the first thing that I did was just make my bed. It is the easiest thing that you can do, and it automatically makes your room look so much cleaner. Then, as you can see, a lot of clothes had built up at the end of my bed over the week, so I just folded them and put them away. I then dusted and tidied my bookshelves. This is my favourite part of my room. Here I'm just sorting through some loose sheets that I had in a drawer and just putting them in their place or throwing them away if I don't need them. I'm so happy because basically all my YouTube bits have just been lying around on the floor because I just didn't have a place for them, and now I do, so that's very good. On the second day of cleaning, I decided to just focus on the area underneath my cupboard where I leave all my board games. It had gotten ridiculously cluttered. I couldn't even close the door sometimes because there would be something sticking out. And of course, along the way, I got really distracted with things that I was finding. For example, these dirt Lego blocks. And I also found my story cubes. Empty. Okay, there's stuff everywhere. I'm trying to slowly go through these with my mum. It's basically like board games and craft stuff that me and my sisters have accumulated over the years, but most of them haven't been sorted through since I was like 12 or 10, so this is what it looks like now, which is a huge improvement. So at the very back I've just got the classics, so Monopoly, Cluedo, etc. And here I just have some random bits, so my Rubik's Cubes and other pocket games. Up here I found some old school books which are now lying on my bed. Yes, so I sorted through those and managed to throw away most of them, but I did have a few left that I needed to still keep. This self-portrait is just so on point. The next day I first just sorted through the aftermath of cleaning the day before. Then I finally got to cleaning my desk, which I knew was going to take a really long time, but I'm so glad that I did do this. The first thing I did was just dusted the things on top of my desk. Then I dusted and sprayed down the surfaces. Basically, I stuck this down with blue tack and I actually just can't take it out. So I'm trying to take off the blue tack with a ruler. It's not going very well and I don't know how I'm gonna take this out. Yes! On the fourth day, I wanted to sort through the drawers next to my desk. Here I am again, sorting through more sheets. I've just sorted through that massive pile of loose sheets, and I've put everything that I need to throw away into this bag so I can put it in the recycling. And that drawer should now be free, so I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but we'll see. In here I've just got loads and loads of notebooks that I need to sort through. On the 5th/last day, I really didn't do much because I didn't need to. The first thing I did was just go through the things that were hanging on the back of my door, and then I also hoovered my room. This is what my room looked like in the end. I was actually really happy with it, and it was such a great feeling knowing that it is really clean inside as well as outside. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.